modern world can be a violent place. Organisations working in extreme environments need manoeuvrability and protection. Terrorist attacks remain the most critical and increasingly more common threat, and they're growing to include aid organisations, government agencies and commercial groups. APV is tackling the difficult challenges armoured vehicles face today by developing the most effective protection concepts within the top platforms of the Toyota 4x4 range. Bringing together production skills from different European factories, up to 200 vehicles can be prepared every year with over 650 labour hours on each. This is a serious business, and the industry demands the highest quality. Terrorists and insurgents will do anything to exploit potential weaknesses. You can't underestimate the dangers faced by drivers and passengers, so vehicles are designed to meet the stringent European CEN B6 accreditation, tested and scrutinised over every aspect of the production process and the materials. By voluntarily subjecting their vehicles to the certification process, APV are proving the effectiveness of the coverage, locating any potential weaknesses or ballistic gaps. B6 identifies the defeat potential of materials and their integration within the vehicle to cope with specific munition threats. APV decided to endorse the B6 protection by inviting a team from Beschusamt Munich, a well-respected independent testing agency, to put their Toyota 105 to the test. Over a period of 5 days, 450 rounds, 6 DM51 hand grenades and 15 kilograms of geoset are targeted at the Land Cruiser.
B6 is critical in establishing our vehicle's potential to survive attack. And we're continuing to develop and improve the safety of the occupants, our #1 priority.
The vehicle is designed as a shielded box, with a protection interface between the occupants and the threat, and the doors are a critical part. The testing team visits the factory, closely inspecting the APV manufacturing process. They're looking closely at the doors. Stronger hinges and integrated construction are essential design features, as well as a maximum area coverage. APV tests have demonstrated the penetrating effects of the SS-109, a projectile used in the B6 protocol. The distance of the 6mm steel plating from the main body skin is critical. Whilst the SS-109 will be defeated by typical 6mm steel in isolation, penetration will occur if there is an outer skin together with an air gap separator. APV engineering design minimises the air gap in the area of the doors, preventing penetration and reducing the threat. Overlap zones, spall lips and additional plating offer protection against angled shots and compound trajectories. Back at the firing range, the testing team have planned their shots for the doors. The armouring process has held and the protection box is unbroken. Certified B6 level glass is used for the armoured windows. In the B6 protocol, Beschusamt Munich specifies 3 shots with a 7.62 caliber round to within a 120mm triangle. They position a witness panel behind the windscreen to show any sprawl that could injure the occupants. It's clear the window is not penetrated by the triple impact, and the glass can cope with all multi-shot defeat requirements of B6.
Armoured protection is one part of a complex machine. We believe driver training and management of the vehicle is also critically important to our customers. The protection should be seen as being time-related. It offers the occupants the chance to react quickly, so driver capabilities are just as relevant as the vehicle protection itself.
The testing team moved to another critical area, the front. They explore under the bonnet looking for potential vulnerabilities. The APV vehicles feature protection for the spiral gel batteries, electronic control unit and fuel filters. The build quality of parts and the protection design are key facets of the APV product, and they're looking to Beschusamt to show how effective they really are. They fire at the bonnet with the SS-109s, trying to penetrate the passenger compartment. The SS-109 is a bullet that can penetrate armoured steel. It's another success as the testing team inspect the vehicle. An important aspect of any vehicle with protection is how discreet it looks and behaves. The APV design team have made every effort to show no external signs of protection, compromising the occupants. There's no outward indication that will distinguish the vehicle from thousands of similar soft-skin versions used in troubled areas. Back at the range, the team begins the explosive testing. 2 DM-51 grenades are placed under the body and detonated simultaneously. The DM-51 has 6,500 anti-personnel ball bearings and splinters and 59 grams of PETN. It's used as a yardstick grenade for all protected vehicles.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Success, as the team find no penetration inside the passenger area. Quality materials are used throughout the vehicle, including steel and glass supplied by industry leaders. The APV design team have worked on shaping every panel in computer-aided design. Fasteners are minimised and protected, all seams are fully welded, and suspensions are uprated for the extra load. The team is now set and everybody prepares for the largest explosion. 15 kilograms of geosit explosives, the final test, is placed 4 meters from one side of the vehicle.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The vehicle is inspected. The integrity of the passenger compartment has held. APV is a well-known and respected company, offering long-term stability. Many armoured vehicle products exist in the marketplace today. Few of them have passed the B6 certification, exposing users to the obvious dangers. By inviting Beschuss Amp Munich to take the APV Toyota Land Cruiser 105 through its paces, and having achieved certification of its armouring process, the quality and the protection level of the vehicle has been assured.